This is going to be a short and sharp video for you to learn how to talk like you own the room in Cantonese. What is an apex predator? Does she always talk the most? Is she always the loudest? No. She doesn't even have to be an extrovert. Most people love talking about themselves. They think, oh, someone is interested in me and I must give them the information. And that's the exact opposite what an apex predator will do. She walks into the room, she sees people, and she will make eye contact with them. The first thing in her mind is, who am I going to talk to first? Instead of oversharing, she listens. She analyzes who has the least energy in the room, who wants attention the most, who doesn't want to talk today, and who is useful to her. 邊個對我最有用? Who in Cantonese is 邊個? 邊個? She asks who to get information from specific people. And the second question she's going to observe is, what do people like? 乜嘢? What? 啲人鍾意乜嘢? What do people like? If you want people to remember you in a positive way, you do not just talk about yourself, but you have to show interest. Ask them what they like. Ask them what's going on in their life. An apex predator always wonders what the facts are. She even reads what is not included in the conversation. Because what has been said and what has not been said are equally important. The third question an apex predator is going to ask herself is, when? 幾時? 幾時? 呢份嘢幾時要完成? When do I have to finish this project? Without asking this question, she's only going to downgrade herself. She's only going to do things when she feels like it. And I said this in my last video, a winner does not need motivation. The fourth question, where? 邊度? Where am I going next? 我陣間要去邊度? An apex predator is always going somewhere, even if they are trying something new or something random. It's always out of experiments. There is always a purpose. They are goal-oriented. The fifth question, why? 點解? A winner used this question to ask herself, why do these rules exist? But normal people use that when they feel rejected. 點解啊? 點解我冇俾人揀中啊? Why am I not picked? 點解你唔鍾意我啊? Why don't you like me? But an apex predator never asks these questions. She always moves forward even when failure happens. She might not have the answers to all the questions, but she knows the purpose of her life. That's why she's an apex predator. The last question in the 6 W's is how? 點樣? An apex predator always asks herself, 我點樣可以做得更好? How can I do better? Because she always improves herself. We ask how when we want to know the equations or methods, such as how to get rich, how to be successful. This is why I bring these 6 W's into today's lesson. On the other hand, I brought back my Twitch channel, which is called Face Panda. If you knew me from Twitch, you knew that I was a VTuber. My name was Panda Baobao. I would love to introduce the concept of Face Panda. In general, people think that pandas are cute, often forgetting that they are from the wildlife. They are animals. I didn't pick a traditional dangerous animal to represent myself, like a crocodile or a tiger. They are obviously strong, but I picked a panda which seems harmless to humans. An animal does not need humans' affection. It only cares about survival. So what makes us human different than animals? We should do greater things instead of chasing likes or approval. This is today's video. My name is Isabella. Thank you for watching Be Cantonese.